Planning to explore Leeds, but don't want to carry your luggage all day? Radical Storage provides a fast and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Leeds using Radical Storage, a trusted platform offering insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is stored safely while you explore Leeds. You could search for Radical Storage online, but it's safer to use the link provided to access the official Radical Storage site directly. Once on the website, it's simple to find a storage point in Leeds. Just type Leeds into the search bar, and you'll see a variety of available locations, whether near the city center, tourist attractions, or transport hubs. Select the location that's most convenient for you, choose the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your plans, and complete the payment securely through the site. Radical Storage ensures your online booking is safe and fully insured. After completing the booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with a reference number and detailed directions to your storage point. When you arrive, simply present your reference to the staff, and your luggage will be stored securely. That's it. You're free to explore Leeds without the burden of your bags, knowing that your belongings are safe with Radical Storage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.